had to do the cleaning. I had to clean the insides and outside and make it nice. And so I pay a good price for this Lafayette. And there's another receiver, guys, that I'm aiming, the Luxman. Yeah. So maybe one day. And the good thing about this, guys, is because it's still in the mint condition. Very nice looking piece. And it's not there's no dents or a little scratch here, but that's about it. So there you go, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. So look at that Lafayette. Let's get it closer, guys. Wow. So you can see, huge, very nice piece, guys. I'm very lucky that I bought this thing, and definitely I'm gonna give him a 5-star. Look at that, guys. Very nice and still clean. It's really amazing. Oh wow, the setup of this. Let's get closer, guys. All right, let's get closer. The setup of this thing, guys. The engineer who made this Lafayette. Very look, guys. Very nice looking. And it's like a Volvo. If you guys ever seen a Volvo car, the engine, the space inside of that engine is just wide open. Very precise, and but it would be better if there's a cover here like that, and here it's like one of those Marantz. They do have covers, or Sansui. It would be really looking nice. And this is different, guys. I mean, look at the cable wires. They're huge. This is one of the best receiver for now. So you can see the style here, guys. Amazing Lafayette. Very nice piece. Look at that, guys. So I'm gonna try this later on, and I'm gonna listen to the sound of this, and I know this is good. I know this is good. I mean, the transformers, look at this. They are big. This can deliver a good power of sound. I can already tell. Yeah. Very nice piece, guys. And these are already upgraded. The light here, it's gonna be blue, and it's gonna look very nice when it's on. Amazing. And let's turn this around, guys. And this thing is heavy, guys. So you can see the difference with this receiver compared to my other receivers, guys. Very nice looking piece. I mean, you can tell. Wow. And these are, like I said, when I buy my stuff, it always made in Japan. Vintage. Very nice looking piece. I'm really impressed with this one here. Wow. Very cool. The adapter. But my Pioneer SA7800, it's way bigger than this, like twice size of this one. That can throw a lot of power, but this one can. It can too. Like, not a big room, but a decent room with the big speakers. It will deliver a good sound. Very nice. Look at that, guys. And look at those. These are way different from my other receivers, guys. Whoever's the engineer of this Lafayette, guys, it's really brilliant and very clean. It's less motherboards. Very, very, very nice. Look at this, dude. Wow. So when you buy receivers, guys, when you see something like this, like the bigger the better. Some of the receivers, guys, like Marantz or Sansui, they're like huge, huge. And this one is a decent size already. I mean, it's a big size already. There's two of them. Very, very nice looking. But I still have to clean this. And like I said, guys, my favorite when it's made in Japan. And that makes me impressed a lot. Makes me get excited a lot when it's made in Japan because I know it's good. So this Lafayette, guys, is one of a kind, you know. It's an amazing receiver. And cannot wait to test the sound of this receiver. Very nice looking piece. And the buttons, guys, they are still in a good condition. But I'm still gonna open this and pull this out and clean the insides, and I'm gonna lubricate, yeah, the knobs and everything. Wow, it's so refined, guys. I mean, amazing. This is way better than Sansui. Very refined knobs when you turn it. The boss. Oh wow, wow, wow. Very nice piece, guys. I mean, as you can see, these are different, man, for real. Lafayette, guys, trust me, it's good. So guys, there it is, unboxing my Lafayette LR-1100 receiver, and later on I'm gonna test it out and I'm gonna hear the sound of it. Stay tuned and you guys can hear the sound of this Lafayette in the next video. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's the subscribers. For now, I'll say bye bye.